Hello! I finally am remembering to make a before video when I do one of my projects here. I just started pulling this trim off. It's coming off. We're redoing this kitchen counter and sink. Yeah, mainly the kitchen counter and sink. All these counters. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the backsplash. I'm trying to get this trim off. I'm not crazy about this wood. But this is we're gonna go right over the top of this. We're just gonna sand this and then putting it in this horrible sink and faucet. We're going bye-bye. And this little piece here, we're doing it in place. So our raw edges will go here and against the wall, and then we'll trim along these edges. Hopefully it will work out okay, but you never know with these things, so I think it will look a lot better. And this is just my before shot. The plumbing is a little so I got everything cleared out, so fingers crossed this goes okay. So I should be back with more progress. Bye. Okay, it's all finished. Well, pretty much all finished. We have to sand the edge a little bit, but we've got the new Formica, or Wilson Art, it's not Formica, on the counters. New garbage disposal, that was sure fun. This sink is really trick. It's got a, let me see, cutting board that goes there. It's got these grates so you don't scratch. I just did dishes, so it's still wet. This thing goes like this. It's also got like a strainer thing, sieve type thing too, for like washing vegetables. So that's pretty nice. And then this is the backsplash I did. It's just 12 by 4-inch tile with a plastic L topper on it. I just wanted one row because as it is, I had to cut all the switch plates to fit, and I did not want to cut. I had to go buy a wet saw. It was a whole thing. So there goes the dogs out the door. I just made their treats. This is all done over here, and yeah, it's just the same stuff. But I like it. It's nice. It looks somewhat period to the house. Oh, here's my IKEA. That was a beast to hide that cord, boy. Somebody's grunting here, but it's pretty much done. So I like it. So my next project, I got to figure out how to D90s that master bathroom. Because it was done in like 2000, but it looks so 90s. And it's got that corian on it, and the shower's okay, but the vanity and the flooring is kind of, it just screams 90s. So I'm thinking about that next, but this is pretty much done, I would say. So I will let you go. I'll post some pictures and stuff. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.